Isaac Pequin here at Drayton Valley Ford, and I'm a sales consultant. And here we got a 2024 Lariat F350. A few things we've done to this is we've added a 3-inch lift kit to it, 37-inch tires on 20-inch fuel rims, and we have also added a headache rack to it. All these accessories were installed in-house, so you could even get yours done here today. Just give us a call here at Drayton Valley Ford at 780-542-4438. Ask for Isaac and I'd be happy to take you on a test drive. Thanks, bye-bye.